Hello everyone, welcome to English Shorthand classes. Exercise 54. Get ready for the dictation. Start. Madam Deputy Chairman, I wish to draw your attention and through you the attention of the government to a serious news which came out in the press on 18th March in the Calcutta edition of the Economic Times Stop. It says that the Cycle Corporation and the National Bicycle Corporation of India Limited may close down stop. These two companies have their factories located in West Bengal and in Mumbai stop. Not only are these two corporations to be closed down, but according to that press report, there are 5 companies, public sector companies, which are proposed to be closed down stop. Madam, what is the policy of the government stop? As we come across from the report some months ago, about 3 years ago, a group of ministers had decided that it would be necessary to wind up some of the perennially losing public sector enterprises stop. What is meant by this perennially losing stop? Since the takeover of the Cycle Corporation of India Limited, the government did not apply its mind to rehabilitate these industries to cure it of its sickness against those who are responsible for its sickness, those who were the private owners. The government did not take any action stop. Before the nationalization, the Cycle Corporation of India was under the charge of the central government stop. It was then under the Industrial Reconstruction Corporation of India stop. For these long years, the government did not take any action stop. I know workers had entered into an agreement with the company to produce 1000 cycles per day stop. But in 1975, under the cover of emergency and the terror that was let loose in West Bengal, the trade union was suppressed and an agreement to produce 2000 cycles was clamped on the workers' stop. Some workers had voluntarily retired stop. Even after these 12 years, a decade almost has passed by, but no action has been taken by the government to improve this situation stop. The workers are faced with losing their jobs stop. How does the mind of the government act stop? As we have seen, a part of the company was transferred to Hindustan Cables Limited without entering into any deed of transfer, without entering into any agreement on what the price will be, what the cost will be of that transfer stop. What I say is that this proposal should be amended stop. The factories proposed to be privatized should be kept in the public stop.